Hello beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, all I have is foundation on because we're doing a makeup tutorial. Oh my god, using some new products. Excited to show you. I'm going to be using the Deck of Scarlet palette. Deck of Scarlet is like a monthly subscription service. I'll leave all the info for them down below. It's a really cute kind of exclusive like makeup club. The packaging is super fly. Everything comes all together packaged so cute. So you get this little envelope. It tells you about the palette. Palette is like curated by a different artist. So this one is by Roxette Ariza. She's the artist-in-chief for the season. So this palette was designed by her and Deck of Scarlet. So this is her info. So she herself has a tutorial using the palette on the website. So this is what it looks like. Super cool, sleek packaging. And then you get two liners here. One is an eyeliner, one is a lip liner. Sleek, cool packaging. So it comes in a sleeve like this. It says, make waves, turn heads, take the plunge. Escape to the tropics with the Deck of Scarlet's latest addition to a palette. It's so cool because it's divided into two sections, which is so important with palettes like these, where you have your powders and you have your glosses together. The powders sometimes mix in with the glosses, so the glosses are protected by their own little magnetic closure. And that's so cool. So you have two glosses here. So this is what the palette looks like. You have that aquamarine shade, bronzy shade, and then a nice neutral matte shade. And then these are the blush and the highlighters. So I'm just gonna do a quick swatch. So creamy and so pigmented. Look at that. One swatch. Let's get that blue. Ooh, and my fingers are completely dry. These are dry swatches. So I think I'm gonna do like a nice simple kind of smoky look, but I think I'm gonna use the lip glosses as eyeshadow bases. I know it sounds crazy, but I think it's gonna work. They're actually my brushes. It's a marble and rose gold with Swarovski crystals. If you're interested, I will leave the link down below. It's a whole brush set, and yeah, aren't they so pretty? They're all glittery with rose gold and marble. So I'm gonna be using my brushes for this look. They're so soft. All right, I'm gonna pick up, these are so creamy. Look at that, so creamy. So I'm gonna mix these two together. As you can see, it makes for a really pretty, just creamy, kind of nudie brown kind of base. I'm gonna go in with a crease brush. Again, my brush, so pretty. And I'm just gonna blend it. Oh my god, these brushes are so soft. And they're amazing for creams and powders. And then I'm gonna go in with the matte brown shade with the same brush. I'm gonna use that in the crease. Oh, what a pretty color. I'm gonna press it into the crease so that it kind of adheres to that sticky base. And then blend. I'm gonna take another flat brush and I'm gonna take the bronzy shade. So pigmented, look at that. I'm gonna put that all over the lid. Whoa. Oh my god, so pretty. This is actually my favorite kind of look. If you've been following me for a few years, from the beginning you would know. I used to be very into brown smoky eyes. It's my go-to kind of super full glam look. It just always looks good. And there's so many ways to do it. Like there's so many variations. You could do it matte, you can do it smoky, you can do it bronzy, you can do it cool tone, you can do it warm tone, you can do it with glitter, you can put gold on top, you can add black, you can make it a cat eye. I mean, brown smoky eye. It is just, so that's pretty much it. I love this by itself. If you wanted to add kind of some of the blue to the lower lash line, I think that would be so fun for a little pop of color. It's so pigmented. I mean, I don't know about you guys, I'm feeling it. I love a good brown smoky eye. I'm gonna take the highlighter and put that in the inner corner. So I'm taking the highlighter and I'm just putting that in the inner corner. That is so pretty. It's super pretty and bronzy and gold. And then you could also put that just slightly right in the center of the lid. Put my lashes on. You guys know I love these lashes. They're the only lashes I use, and they are Dodo Lashes D301. If you use my name, Gabriella Lascano, you get money off. All of that will be listed down below, and I'll try to put it here on the screen as well. So let's move on to skin. So I'm going to do concealer. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape. So this is the color Fair Beige with my beauty blender, and just pounce it out. And then to tan up and contour, I'm gonna go in with this stick foundation. This is like one of my favorite products ever. The Lancome Idol Ultra Wear Makeup Stick, color 510 Suede. My flat top kabuki blend. Oh, these brushes are so soft. I love them so much. Look how it blends. It blends like a dream. Look at that. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier contoured brush and just pounce it underneath. I want a very dewy look, so I'm not gonna bake or do any extreme powdering. I'm just doing in the main areas. For bronzer, I'm gonna go in with this Becca Après contour blush highlighting palette. I'm only gonna use the bronzer. Go back into the deck of Scarlet palette. I'm going to pick up the highlighter palette. I didn't spray my skin with anything. I'm not wetting the brush or anything. Look how pigmented it is. I'm gonna put that right on the top. Whoa, that is so pigmented. Wow. And like I said, this is dry. Because I really want to be dewy and bronzy. So pretty. A little bit of the blush with the same brush. Oh my god, so pigmented. And just, oh my god, it's so pigmented. I don't really like blush, but I want to show you guys. It's very pigmented. I'm only going to use a little bit. A Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist, the Rose Water Mist, because I'm trying it out. Look how dewy and pretty and bronzy and glowy. Woo! Yes, girl. Now we're going to do lips. So I'm going to go back into the nudie peachy nude color. I'm just going to use my finger. So pigmented. This is my kind of color. Oh my god. Like a thick cream lipstick. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. I love this lip color. I love the way the eyes came out. The skin is so bronzy and pretty. The highlighter is gorgeous. I'm really impressed.